Well, didn't see anything unusual. Looks ready for your road trip.
Thank you. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Both of you, please stop.
Your car may be trying to tell you something. Introducing Zengine, a groundbreaking oil test for your car. Your Zengine test analyzes over 30 data points to diagnose your engine's condition and recommend possible solutions. Zengine makes pulling a sample quick and easy. The provided vacuum tube sucks oil into the sample bottle with the turn of a valve. Or you can pull a sample during your next oil change. A Zengine report gives you and your mechanic the information needed to make smart decisions about maintaining your engine's health. Zengine saves you time and money, and most of all, gives you peace of mind. Zengine, peace of mind for all drivers.